welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We're going to put on our cool tool gloves. And let's see what we got in our mystery toolbox. Remember, if you're not a club member of the D&M Toy Club, you got to make sure you subscribe to our channel. How do you subscribe to the channel to see all the new videos? You got to press that red button right down there. See that red button that says subscribe? That is the magic button to the Toy Club. Let's take a look. Here we go, guys. What's inside? Open it up. Ooh, we got an electric drill, but we've got more tool toys. Here they come. Awesome. Adjustable wrench. Cool. Whoa, calipers. We gotta love the calipers. All right, let's take a look at what we got next.
Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club! Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back! We are going to have some fun with these toy surprises and learning our colors. First up,
toy surprise! Toy surprise!
Alright, let's take a look at what we got in our toy surprise Shopkins. What else do we have up next? Let's take a look at our fire truck. Fire truckers are red. The color red. Really cool fire trucks. Let's take a look at
toy surprise. Toy surprise.
All right, toy surprise it is. Check out the unicorn. Oh, that's pretty cool. What color is that? The color blue. We love
toy surprise.
That's right. Let's take a look at our next toy. It's the color green, Thomas the Train. We love the color green. Green. Let's grab another.
Toy surprise. Toy surprise.
Let's open it up. It's a minion, my favorite. And what color is the minion? Oh yeah. He's the color yellow.
Toy surprise.
Cool. Let's take a look at our next toy. Paw Patrol. Cool. I love the helicopter. And what color is the helicopter? Do you know the color? It's pink! Pink is the color. Awesome, guys! What else we got on the table? Let's take a look at our saw. Toy tools!
Toy surprise!
Red! The handle is red. And it certainly cuts, but you don't want to do that to your finger. Let's take a look at our next
toy surprise.
Surprise toys! It's a pig. Cool! All right, we got to pick another one off the table. It's another Paw Patrol. Cool. And what color is that vehicle? It's orange! Awesome orange!